Now, you need a logo. Make sure that if you are affiliated to EXP, Keller Williams, or something like that, you use their logo too because it's required. Also, if you're new doing social media marketing for real estate, you need to use a logo that is specific for Facebook, that is Equal Homes Opportunities. They give it for free. You can Google it and find it. It's very important you disclose which company you're with, your license information in the flyer, or your phone number, or your website. Now the topics that you're going to be working around that, it's going to be based on what you're going to be highlighting. You're going to do a service for home buyers, first time home buyers. You're going to highlight pre-construction properties. You're going to sell lots. You're going to highlight single family homes, multi-million-dollar properties. Like, what's going to be about. You can do everything, but if you're starting a business, I suggest you stick to one niche and just go kill it.